Welcome back, everybody. Today, me and Bryson here are back on the Blackstone. We're going to cook us up some lunch, ain't we, man? We're going to make us some Southwest chicken sliders. Now, if you never had them on a Blackstone griddle, man, I'm tell you what, you get that seasoning just seared into that chicken and just all the other flavors, it's going to be good. We're fixing to get started, but before we do, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment down below, and what else we got to do? Give us a thumbs up. So, let's get started. Let's show you what we're going to cook with, and let's go. Now, what we're going to be cooking with today to make these Southwest sliders is, of course, some chicken breasts, and some bacon, and some butter, and I got some pepper jack cheese, and we got four slider buns here. Picked this up at the grocery store. It's pretty good. It's Mrs. Dash Southwest Chipotle. It's not bad. And, of course, we're going to top it off with some Chipotle sauce. So, let's show you how we're going to put these things together. Now, the first thing we're going to do is, this chicken breast here is fairly thick. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut it in half. Then, once you get it cut in half, we'll take it and cut it in half again. And this will give us 4 pieces for our sliders. Like so. Then we'll take our seasoning and season it up good. Make sure you get both sides of it. Man, these sliders are going to be good. All this seasoning, you can just see the peppers and stuff in it. All right, once you get that done, we'll put them on the griddle. All right, once you get your chicken cut up, go ahead and take your bacon. Now, we got 4 slices here. So what we're going to do is cut that in half. We're going to put 2 of these strips on each slider. So we're going to get this cut up and separated, get ready to put on the griddle. And we'll be ready to cook up some stuff. We're going to saute up these onions right here on the griddle also. And man, we're going to make some awesome, awesome sliders for lunch today. All right, let's get it all on the griddle. Now, first thing we'll do, we'll get a little oil on the grill here, get us something to cook with. Ain't that right, man? Get it spread out there. Let's go ahead and throw our chicken up there. Just go ahead and throw a piece on there. Can you do that? Throw it up on there. There you go. All right, throw that piece on there. Okay. There we go. What we're going to do with these, we're going to put that on them. Let's go ahead and get some bacon on here. Anyway. All right, well, put something right here for you, buddy. We're going to let you do the onions. How's that? You do the onions? Okay. We're going to saute these onions here. And what you're going to do is you're going to just break them up in rings like this. There's probably going to be a little more onion than we need. But hey, I love some sauteed onions. Okay. We'll let them cook a little bit. We'll turn the temperature up just a little bit. Now we're cooking on like a medium low. Right here. We have this side off and everything else is on a good medium low right now. We're going to get a good sear on this chicken. Kind of sear that seasoning into the chicken meat. Man, these things are going to be good. All right, Bryson, how about stir them onions up for us?
Flip it.
Yeah, just flip it. There you go. All right, there you go. Man, he's an expert onion flipper. If he can't do nothing else, he can flip an onion. Ain't that right, man? Let's let them cook down a little bit. We're going to get a good caramelized onions here to put on the griddle. Let's go ahead and check on our bacon here and flip it over. Uh-oh. Starting to smell good. Smell that seasoning off that chicken. Smell them onions. All right, let's check out this chicken, see what it's looking like. Oh, it's just getting there. It's getting there. Yes, sir. Oh, man, let's stir these onions again. You want to help me? We'll do it together. Ready? Just flip it like that. There you go. Whoa, keep them over here now. Whoa, wait. You put onions everywhere. Okay, that's good, man. Let them cook a little bit now. Notice how to get them good and soft? That's what we're looking for. All right, let's go ahead and get some of this bacon up. Take it over here on the side. We'll just keep it warm right now. You give these onions a stir again, man? Let's give them a stir. Okay. Can you do that? All right, let's see your stirring. You want to use both of them? Okay, here. That'll work. Okay, man. We'll get these onions. They're almost done. They're getting there. In just a second. Let's check on this chicken here. Oh, yeah, look at that. You gonna flip that one? Flip it over. There you go. There's a good little sear going on there. Put that back on it. Get this chicken done. Now, while them onions and chicken are finished cooking, anyway, we're gonna put a little butter down.
Are we gonna do the bread?
Yes, we're gonna do the bread. Put a little butter down. Oh, there you go. Oh, wrong way. There you go. Okay. You're throwing them like a frisbee. Okay. All right, I'll put the other two on here, okay? We'll put a little more butter down. We done soaked up some butter already. Butter's kind of like bacon. I don't know if you can have too much or not. So let's get our potato bread browned up here. And we're fixing to put these things together here in just a minute. Let's check our onions again. Now let's check on this chicken real quick. Well, it's looking good, ain't it? Look at that. That is looking good. Wait a minute, man. I'm just checking it. We're gonna let that cook for just a little while longer. Let's check our bread. I start to get a little toast to it. Now you don't want them toasted up burnt. At least I don't anyhow. That's pretty good. That looks good. Let's go ahead and set that one over here. Along with that one. Leave it alone. All right, let's go ahead and take some of this toasted bread up. Well, let's flip the onions one more good time. Okay, man, I say these things are ready. You ready to put them together? So we can eat something? Okay, let's do that. The man said he's ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cutting board here. We're gonna bring it over here. I'm gonna turn that burner off. Now, wait a minute. We gotta put a little chipotle sauce on each one, okay? And then just put a little chipotle sauce on the toppers. Like so. I'm gonna spread it out. All right. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a piece of chicken on each one. Then we'll take a piece of cheese, a piece of this pepper jack cheese. Can you see it okay? Put some of this pepper jack cheese on them. Then we'll take some of this bacon and put across them. Put 2 good strips on each one. Ooh, that bacon's hot.
It's not hot.
Okay, wait a minute.
This ain't hot.
It's not hot.
No.
And then we're going to take some of these onions, put on top. And just top them off with some onions. Now you got that Southwest seasoning along with this chipotle sauce. Now you might think they're done now, and they can be. But what we're going to do, we're going to turn this down on low. I'll push all this out to the side here. We're going to set these back on the griddle. And what we're going to do is we're going to baste them. We're going to put the pan back on them. Yep. Need that. A little bit of water. And get that cheese all melted down good. Let's put a little bit more water under here. All right, we're gonna let the cheese just get all ooey and gooey and good. How about give us a thumbs up if you like ooey gooey cheese? Some thumbs up. All right, you ready to check it, see if it's gooey? Oh yes, it's gooey gooey. Uh-oh.
That didn't take long.
It didn't take long at all, did it? All right. Now, let's cut all our burners off here. We'll clean the griddle up here in just a minute. I say we give these things a try. What you think, Bryson? Yeah? Okay. All right, it's time to eat. You ready to eat? I'm ready to eat too. Let's try them out. Which one do you want? This one? Okay. It's still a little warm on the bottom. I think I'm gonna take this one. Oh, ooey and gooey and messy. Here's to you. Mmm. Well, that cheese just stringing out of there. That's good, ain't it? Mm-hmm. So good people's calling and wanting them already. So, what we gotta do now? Give us a thumbs up. Hit that like button, the thumbs up, same thing. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to check us out. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on anything like this. And hey, we got some theme park trips coming up, don't we? Got all kind of stuff planned for this summer. Be sure to check us out, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.